Hey, today's a stay at home and get stuff done in the yard kind of day. Chat and I have been busy mowing and he's exhausted, but I still have a lot to do, so stick around and check it out. I just finished mowing and went to get the mail and was walking back up to the front door and came across this little gem. I really do like snakes, especially black snakes and rat snakes, and there are quite a few hanging around my place, and this one is a regular. Thought I'd take you on the front porch and show you something I discovered there a little earlier this morning. I don't know that anybody really uses their front door. I know I don't, and these little guys are probably pretty glad I don't. That is a nest of barn swallows that took advantage of this prime real estate. This is a water garden I made several years back. It's overgrown and it's a disaster right now, full of weeds, and I'm going to have to do something about that. But first, we're going to feed the resident goldfish. Most of these fish have been born in this pond and have lived their whole lives here. They spend the winter here. It freezes over on the top, but it's deep enough for them to survive throughout the year. They're pretty excited, so let's throw them some food and see how that goes. Last count was 44, so I don't know, you can't see all of this with all the cover it has for them. Although there have been times I've seen snakes out here eating fish or frogs. But it's a pretty cool little ecosystem. Mainly takes care of itself. I don't feed them every day. They do just fine whether I feed them or not, so there's plenty in there for them to eat. But it's a pretty neat spot to just come sit and check them out. There's one in here that's a fantail, but it seems that natural selection does not favor fantails. Kind of a bummer because I like them better, but no biggie. I don't see it right now, but kind of like my goldfish. Kind of don't like all the weeds. I don't think Chat cares too much about the weeds, but he's more of a fish fan himself. Well, after several hours of pulling weeds, this is the end result. Even got the waterfall turned on for the moment. I don't usually leave it running. But anyway, while I was in there, something really cool happened. I had some nifty visitors, so I'm going to show you footage of that. And then I'm going to fix this situation. So I noticed that a rock must have fallen in, and I guess I'm going to have to go in and get it because I'm not okay with all that plastic showing. So I'll show you my cool visitors and then guess I'm going in. It's about to be submerged rock fetching time, but thought I would give you a little bit more of a close-up view of some of the flowers that are more visible now that the place isn't so chock full of weeds. I turned off the water fountain again because I don't necessarily need that all running down my back when I'm in there. But anyway, there are some of the flowers that are currently blooming in the old water garden. Alrighty, time to get in there and fix that mess. Alrighty, here we go. It's been a while since the fish have had a human visitor. Actually, I don't think they've ever had a human visitor in their habitat, but here we go. Try to do this without knocking in any more rock. Hi, fish. Well, they aren't very afraid. Alright, let's see if we can find this rock that fell in. I found a section of that tree branch. That's lovely. Alright, where are you, rock? I may have found it with my feet. Let's see if I can get it up without having to submerge myself. That'd be pretty cool. Alright, check that out. We have a rock. Let me flip it the other way. There's a few plants around. Are you concerned, chat? I think I'll be alright. That could be why it fell in there. It just doesn't fit so great. Put this dude under there to give it a different slant on things. Hi, chat. What you think, buddy? You want in? Alrighty, I think we got it. Looks alright from out here. I'll have to check it out when I get out there. But anyway, I think it's shower time. Hope y'all had a good day. Thanks for sticking around and seeing what I was up to on mine.